Quick drives don't come much quicker than this. It is 11 degrees and we are in Italy and we're in a Lamborghini Aventador. It's also just started raining, which is pretty sensational when you have a 515 kilowatt, 690 Newton meter, 6.5 litre V12 sitting under your right foot. So before we fog up anymore, let's hit the road. First launched in 2011, the Lamborghini Aventador is being caught by a Volkswagen Passat. First launched in 2011 to replace the more than 10-year-old Lamborghini Murcielago. The Aventador combines that amazing V12 power plant with Lamborghini's all-wheel drive system. It's now 9.5 degrees in the hills of Italy, just outside of Bologna, and it's a patchy wet road, and I'm pretty glad that we do have all-wheel drive grip today. Throttle response is pretty much astounding, and the noise is just addictive, whether you're going up through the gearbox or down. Able to hit 100 k's an hour in 2.9 seconds. And do over 350 kilometers an hour top speed. The Aventador is certainly quick in a straight line, but its grip through the corners is actually pretty quick too. Can understeer a little out the front, but on these country back roads, was that go left?
Yeah.
Yeah. The four-wheel drive system can make it understeer a little bit when pushing hard, but through these twisty back roads, it's just not an issue. To get the best out of the gear changes, you just have to lift off the throttle, otherwise it's just incredibly jerky. There's no such problem on the downs. Grab the paddle and that thing just sounds the business. Weighing 1,575 kilograms, the Aventador is no lightweight, and under braking you can feel that weight. But really, when it sounds this good, who cares? He's on the wrong side of the road.
Yep.
Yep.
You know, I'm generally a good passenger.
Yeah. Am I making you very scared?
I'm not scared, but f me. I'm sitting next to an Aussie guy who's first time in Europe and who's just getting the feel of a fucking 700 horsepower Lamborghini and pushing it on roads we've never seen before on the wet. So yeah, I mean, but you know, I'm not. I'm not terrified. I'm just.
That's the best compliment I've ever received in my life.
Aware of the situation.
Sure, we're just going to punch it up here. To get the best out of the gear changes,